In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, use this plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, you need to record it and add it here. To do that, tap on Voice, hold this microphone to record, and when you finished, let go. As you can see, my recording was successfully attached. If you want to add a video file, you can either record it and add it by hitting camera here, tap in Take Video, recording it, and then tapping on this check mark to add it, or by clicking on it in Image section. Tap on Image, select your video, and hit Done at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!